Namaskaram girls. Now we are going to see our remaining sums in this exercise 2.8 in chapter 2. Okay girls. Here your fourth sum is homework because that is the simplest sum part. You have to convert into the scientific notation. For example, first sum was water. 70,000 mean you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 7.0 into 10 to the power 4. Likewise, you have to write the fourth subdivision. So fourth subdivision fully your homework ma. Now we are going to see our fifth Roman letter. In your fifth Roman letter there is a fourth subdivision is there. Now we are going to see one by one. First sum is 2.75 into 10 to the power 7 plus 1.23 into 10 to the power 8. First we have to remove that scientific notation so that 2.75 into 10 to the power 7 can be written as 275. Already two decimals we removed. So here already 10 to the power 7. Therefore 7 minus 2, how many zeros we can we have to add? Very good, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power 7. 2.75 into 10 to the power 7. Therefore our answer is right. Next one is 1.23 into 10 to the power 8. 8 decimal we have to move up. Here already 2 decimals we moved. So 123. Remaining how many zeros we have to add? Here 8 and here 2 decimals already moved. So totally remaining 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to add both one more. Shall we add? So 2, 7, 5, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 1. Shall we add this? 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. Here is also 1, 0, 5, 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 2, 5. Here no number is there means we have to write 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. So this is our answer. Our answer we have to write in the scientific notation. So scientific notation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 1.59 into 10 to the power 8. This is your answer. Have you understood this step, ma'am? Shall we move to our second sum? So now we are going to the second sum now. In second sum also same. We have to remove the scientific notation first. After that we have to subtract 4.58 into 10 to the power 15 from 1.598 into 10 to the power 70. Shall we move? So first one 1.598 into 10 to the power 17 is equal to 1. Already we are going to remove 3 decimals. So 3 digits. So 5, 9, 8. Already we removed 3 digits. 17 digits we have to remove. So 17 minus 3. How many digits remaining? 14 remaining. Therefore 14 0 we have to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now next one is 4.58 into 10 to the power 15. 15 means we have to remove the 15 digits into the decimals. So here the decimal is here. Already 1 digit, 2 digit. 2 digits we removed and your remaining digits is how many? 15 minus 2, 13 0 we have to add. So 4, 5, 8, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 0 here we added and here how many 0 we added, ma? 14 0 we added. So we are going to subtract 1, 5, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8, 5, 4. Is it right girls? Yes. And remaining have to subtract 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 only. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Decimal we have to write in the correct order. Then in that only you will get your answer. So here 0 minus 8 we can't subtract. So borrow. So 10 minus 8 your answer is 2. 7 minus 5 your answer is 2. 9 minus 4 your answer is 5. And here we have to write as it is. So and here is your answer. Now we have to write your answer in scientific notation. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1.5522 into 10 to the power 17. This is your answer, ma'am. Are you understood this step? Shall we move to our next sum? Okay. Okay, girls. In this sum, first two sums are addition and subtraction. So that only we have to remove the scientific notation. After that, we have to add. And then only your last step is you have to write the resultant answer scientific notation again. But here your sum is multiplication. So directly write 1.02 into 10 into write this first, this number and this number write first. So 1.20 into next 10 to the power right. So 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now see, you have to multiply 1.02 into 1.20 into, here base are same. Therefore you have to add the power. So 10 minus 3. Your answer is what? Yes, very good. Your answer is 10 to the power 7. But here you are going to multiply 102 and 112. Actually 120. But we have to add at the last 0 from the resultant answer. So 2 2s are 4. 0. 2 and here 2 into 1 2 0 1. So add 4 2 2 1 and last one 0 is there. So your answer is what? 12,240 into 10 to the power 7. But here the decimal is from the reverse side 2 digits before the 2 digits, and here is also before the 2 digits. So totally before the 4 digits you have to put your decimal. So 1 2 3 4. Therefore your answer is 1.2240 into 10 to the power 7. Okay, ma'am? Are you understood this step, ma'am? Shall we move to your last sum? Now see your fourth sum. In your fourth sum question is 8.41 into 10 to the power 4, which is divided by 4.3 into 10 to the power 5. See girls, here we are going to remove our decimal. How can we remove our decimal? Here the decimal is going to the right hand side. So it is 10 power, yes, minus we have to add. So first this decimal is here. It is our first move. It is our second move. So 841.0 into 10 to the power 0.0. We can write the 0.0, or as it is we can write 841. So into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power 4, which is divided by, here 4.3 is there. So we have to remove 1 0. So this decimal is going to the right hand side. So 43 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power 5. Shall we understand? Are you understood this step, ma? Now 841 into 10 to the power, base are same. Therefore we have to add the power. So minus 2 plus 4, which is divided by 43 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 5, same. Because base are same, so you have to add your power. So 841 into 10 to the power 2, because minus 2 plus 4 is 2, divided by 43 into 10 to the power 4. Now see, you have to divide 841 divided by 43 into 10 to the power 2 in the numerator, 10 to the power 4 in the denominator. So denominator going to the numerator means we will write minus 4. Now you are going to the division. You are going to do your homework part, ma. This is your homework part. You have to divide after the division. Directly I will say your answer. Your answer after the division, 19.5581395. This is your answer after dividing 841 divided by 43. So this is your answer into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, ma? Now what you are going to do, and your next step is, now the point is here, ma. So this point is going to the this side because of the scientific notation. Therefore 1.9558139 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Have you understood this step, ma? Therefore your answer is 1.9558139 into 10 to the power minus 1. This is your answer. The answer must be right in in your scientific notation. So we concluded our fifth Roman letter. First subdivision, second one, third one, and fourth one. Fourth sum is here on homework ma. In the third subdivision, you start up to second subdivision ma. Third subdivision. Now we are going to see last sum in this chapter. Shall we move? Now we are going to see the third subdivision in this third Roman letter. First we have to write in the very good scientific notation. The decimal is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The decimal is moving from the right hand side. So 3.0 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power minus 5, the whole power 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 5, the whole power 4, which is divided by here 1, 2, 3. Therefore 9.0 into 10 to the power minus 3, the whole power 3 into here 1, 2. So 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 2, the whole power 2. Now see your next step that you have to raise the power, the both terms into the sixth. So your first term whether 3.0 or 3, both should be same only. So I will write 3 power 6 into 10 to the power minus 5, the whole power 6 means we have to multiply the 2 powers. Therefore it is minus 30 into here 5.0 I can write 5. Therefore 5 power 4. So 5 power 4 into 10 to the power minus 20. The same manner 9 power 3. So 9 power 3 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 5 power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now see girls, here 10, base are same. So very good. You have to add the power. So 3 power 6 into 5 power 4 into 10 to the power minus 30 into 10 to minus 20. Okay? Is it right ma? Yes. And your next step is 9 I can written as 3 squared, the whole power 3 into 5 squared into 10 to the power base are same, therefore minus 9 minus 4. Now see your next step girls. In this next step, the numerator 3 power 6 into 5 power 4 is there. 10 power minus 30 minus 20, it is minus 50. Divided by, in the denominator 9 I can wrote as 3 squared. Why must I can wrote? Here 3 power 2, the whole power 3 is there. Base 2 power is there means we have to multiply these 2 power. Therefore it is 3 power 6. 3 power 6, 3 power 6 we will cancel. So that only I told 9 is considered as a 3 square. Now your remaining term is 5 power 2 into 10 to the power minus 13. 5 square and here the 5 power 4 is cancelled. Your answer is 5 square only remaining there in this 4 sums. Okay, 3 power 6, 3 power 6 cancel. 5 power 2, 1 5 power 2. That 5 4 times is there in your numerator and in the denominator 2 5 is there. So 2 5 2 5 get cancelled. Remaining 5 power 2 is only there. So 5 power 2, the numerator 10 to the power minus 50. The 10 to the power minus 13 going to our numerator means we will write 10 to the power plus 13. It is one rule ma. So after this we will got your answer. 5 power 2 is 25. So 25 into, again base are same. So you have to add your power. So 25 we can write in our scientific notation 2.5 into 10 to the power 1. Is it right girls? Yes. Now 10 to the power, here one sign is positive and one sign is negative. So we have to subtract. What is the subtraction after 50 minus 30? Your answer is yes, 37. So here 37 is there. Already 1 is there because of the scientific notation. So answer is 10 to the power 38. So your final answer is 2.5 into 10 to the power 38. So this is your answer for the third sum. We concluded our exercise and your chapter also we finished. If there is any doubt, ask me girls. Okay pa? Thank you. Sorry ma, here I made a mistake. Minus 50 plus 37 means minus 37. So minus 37 plus 1 means minus 36. Okay? Okay. Now our answer is right. So we concluded and finished our exercise. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.